Assalamualaikum and good morning. Thank you for everyone for attending my presentation today. Our title is an evaluation of the student entrance exit survey and PO score for electric circuit 2 course. So this is our colleague. For introduction, OBE consists of three elements, which is PEO, PO and CO. PEO, Program Educational Objective, are the broad statements that describe the career and professional accomplishments that the program is preparing graduates to achieve. This is example PEO for program EE112. EE112 program is Diploma in Electrical Engineering, major in Power. So there are 4 PEO focus for this program. Second element is PO. PO are statements that describe what students are expected to know and be able to perform or attain by the time they are graduates. This is the list. 12 PO are expected to attain in practice-oriented learning environment. This 12 PO actually specifically guided by the ETEC body for engineering program in Malaysia. Last element is CO. CO is course learning outcome or course outcome are specific and measurable statements that define the knowledge, skills and attitude learner will demonstrate by the completion of a course. This is the example CO for electric circuit 2. For this course, there are 3 CO that expected student to learn upon their completion of this course. So this course also used in the analysis of this project. In brief, there are 3 types of learning domain to deliver your content, which is psychomotor, affective and cognitive. All these 3 elements actually have been mapped with the 12 POs guided by the ETECs. For example, for PO1 and 2, knowledge and problem analysis is actually been assessed by the cognitive domain, and the PO number 3 and 4 assessed by the psychomotor domain, and the rest 5 until PO number 12 actually assessed by using the affective domain. And then the entrance and exit surveys. Okay, the purpose of these surveys is to measure the effectiveness of the course in terms of knowledge, facilities, professionalism, and happiness index. The survey consists of the same set of questions was given at the beginning and at the end of the course. So in this project, the platform used to distribute the survey is using online UFuture. So this platform actually provided by the university to all the registered students. Okay, this is the description of methodology. So the course using in this project is Electric Circuit 2. Okay, this course taken by Part 3 Electrical Engineering student in UITM. The samples use 76 students from EE111, which is Diploma in Electrical Engineering Electronic, and EE112, Diploma in Electrical Engineering Power Program. Okay, the batch choose is batch October 21 until February 22. Okay, the students is students in UITM Johor campus Pasir Gudang. The total entrance exit questions are 19 questions. First, the questions, all the 19 questions are mapped to 3 POs for this course. For example, question number 1, I can differentiate natural and state response for RL and RC circuit. So this topic is actually related to PO number 1 and PO number 4. PO number 1 assessed by using the cognitive domain, and PO number 4 has been assessed by using the psychomotor domain. So for cognitive domain, it basically assessed by using the test and exam. For PO4 psychomotor domain is basically being assessed by using the lab work activities. For the continuous assessment, this is 7 topics in this course related to the assessments happen. For example, for topic 1, which is DC traction analysis. So this topic has laboratory exercise and practical tests. So for the lab exercise, actually is mapping to PO number 4, which is previously in AAS question number 1, and for the test is maps to PO number 1, knowledge assessment, and it is by using the cognitive domain, and the lab exercise is by using the psychomotor domain. So these two PO is mapping to this assessment in this topic 1, and it's also happen in topic 2 until topic 7. For the entrance exit survey measurement, in the system using the frequency system, okay, there are first 4 possible ratings, which is rate 0 for poor, rate 1 for fair, rate 2 for good, rate 3 for very good, and rate 4 for excellent. So the frequency score is get by using the exit score for that particular question minus the entrance score for that same particular question. For example, for the entrance score, if students score 2, and then for the exit, they understand and they score 4. So 4 minus by 2 is equal to 2. So the frequency score for that question is equal to 2. So this is the equation to get the frequency score. This figure shows the entrance and exit survey frequency score for PO1, PO2, and PO4. PO1 to assess the knowledge, PO2 the problem analysis skills, and PO4 the investigation skills. As can we see, average for these 3 PO, student rate their self in between score 3 and 4, which means their rate their self indicate the teaching and learning effectiveness in upright condition. So there is exceptional for themselves. It's also for the blue score, which is less than 2. We can see it is less than 20% score themselves in score 1 and 2. As can we see, score 1 is blue color. Score 1 means the gap between entrance and exit survey is not much. For example, maybe for entrance, student rate themselves 1, and for exit, they rate themselves 2. So 2 minus by 1 is we can get result only 1 for the frequency score. This is the result of the percentage student achievement for overall course assessment based on PO. So the performance indicator is set at 65%. As can we see, PO1 did not achieve the performance indicator, which is it's just 40% and 50%. PO1 is on the knowledge, fundamental knowledge, and maybe students is not strong in their fundamental knowledge, and this is also assessed for their first assessment, which is test 1. So students is not ready, and they cannot get the situation for the assessment because of the assessment is fully online. And this is also the first batch that enrolled the ETEC program. Next, for the PO2, which is being assessed on test 2 onwards, students get the situation and can perform well in their assessment, so that PO achieve above the performance indicator. And also on PO4 has no problems because it is investigation skills which have been assessed through the lab activities. From the results, it is very useful as a reference for the CQI improvement for the teaching and learning technique for the next batch. The LIC, or lecturer in charge for the next semester, can develop various strategy to improve the unachieved PO. For example, the LIC can conduct many programs or techniques such as the mentor-mentee program, flipped classroom techniques to enhance the unachieved PO. If those actions give no effect, so this report can also be used as a reference when the curriculum is reviewed every 5 years. As a conclusion, this paper evaluates and studies the student performance based on entrance exit survey and continuous assessment to assess the PO attainment. There are 3 related PO mapped to the course, which are PO1, PO2 and PO4. From the project, the analysis will help the LIC for the next semester to schedule, plan to achieve the unachieved, to enhance the unachieved PO. There are many programs can be prepared by the LIC, as I mentioned before, such as the mentor-mentee, the free classroom, and also the report can also bring to the review curriculum. So that's all from me. Thank you for your time. Thank you.